you are bound to witness irresponsible driving. And no matter how careful you are, you can always be affected by another driver's bad decisions. To avoid paying for the actions of irresponsible drivers, you need a device which you can always rely on as a personal eyewitness. The Rexing V1 has been that device, proving itself time and time and time again as a necessary addition to vehicles everywhere. Reliable, intuitive, and immensely powerful, the Rexing V1 offers several exceptional qualities which distinguish it as a top-rated dashcam. The discreet design of the incredibly lightweight body features a low-profile form, making it practically invisible to other drivers. The camera records full HD footage with an immensely wide 170-degree field of view, capturing everything with absolute clarity. Using wide dynamic range technology, the V1 can automatically adapt to any light condition, day or night. The camera also features a 2.4-inch LCD screen, which you can use to play back your recordings at any time. Document your driving experiences with a personal eyewitness that's always there when you need it. Highly functional and always reliable, the Rexing V1 offers peace of mind to responsible drivers everywhere.
The Thinkware F800 Pro is the successor to the best-selling F770. It has a slightly smaller design, but more importantly offers the new Ambarella A12 chipset and Sony Starvis sensors on both front and rear cameras. In terms of video quality, the nighttime footage on rural roads or through a darker tint is noticeably better on the F800 Pro. We like the F800 Pro's improved parking mode with Super Night Vision 2.0, better memory partitioning, and helpful event alert when switching into continuous mode. The Wi-Fi connection is stronger and the overall app user experience has also improved. In addition, the ADAS features such as lane departure warning and red light camera alerts actually work as expected.
Red light camera in 200 meters.
The capacitor-based power supply has no issues working in hotter climates, and the track record for reliability of the Thinkware devices has been exceptional over the 2 years we've carried them. This brand new system offers the best combination of video quality, parking mode features, and user-friendly interface currently available. We'd recommend the Thinkware F800 Pro to anyone looking for the best 2-channel parking mode dashcam setup.